Our 24 karat gold hydrogel masks are made in Korea by the people that make the best masks in the world, hands down. The hydrogel is actually capable of holding so much more treatment serum that then gets infused so much deeper into your skin because of the material put on your face. We have two different shapes. One is for the full face, and one is if you're on the go and you just need something quick under your eyes. There's hyaluronic acid, which is of course everyone's favorite ingredient because, as you know probably, it binds 1,000 times its weight in water. So it's like a burst of water and hydration for your skin. There's also carob seed, which is an incredible ingredient for regenerating skin cells. And the reason it's capable of doing that is because it actually goes to the area to heal and regenerate. So you'll notice if you have any blemishes or anything that you just want to smooth out, even pores seem to be really smoothed out by the ingredients. And sea moss is one of my favorite ingredients for being antibacterial. So not only are these masks incredible for hydration, but they also work really well with acneic skin or skin that just is really, you feel like it's lost its luster. Popping on one of these face masks will instantly heal and regenerate your skin to make it feel like you just had a professional facial.